And more breaking news. A judge has sided with Jackson County and ordered a Blue Springs restaurant that defied the county's mask order to shut down. Investigative reporter Angie Racono has been following all of the action. So, Angie, tell us more about why the judge ruled the way she did.
Well, Brad, she said the mask mandate was lawful and she was not swayed by arguments that this was a private club and that all of the employees had medical conditions. The county pointed out those medical conditions didn't exist in the original mask mandate we had. So here's what the judge wrote. A business is not permitted to engage in conduct that endangers the well-being of the state when the need for public health measure is weighed against the effect and the measure it has on commerce. The measures are typically upheld unless they are arbitrary or unreasonable in nature. She went on to say the balance of harm, increasing the risk of the transmission of COVID-19 and its variants, overwhelmingly outweighs any injury that an injunction may inflict. Defendants need only follow the reinstatement process for a food permit and comply with a health order to avoid injury. So what that means is that the restaurant can eventually reopen if they follow the rules and wear masks and obtain the food permit, which was revoked in this battle. Of course, this battle became very public. The owner was even interviewed on Fox and Friends as she argued a small business was being picked on. Now, here's a look at the timeline on how we got to this point. The health order was issued for masks and there were warnings and tickets. The food permit was revoked. The cafe decided to reopen as a club with a $1 cover charge, masks optional. The county got a restraining order. The cafe asked for damages. There was a hearing yesterday, and now we have a decision. If you want to run a business in Jackson County, you need to mask up. And we are starting to get reaction from people like Jackson County Executive Frank White, clearly pleased with this ruling. We have much more online and our social media platforms. Angie Racono, KCTV5 News.
All right. Thanks, Angie. Keep us updated.